Joystick Driving and Autopilot. Easy boating features for Volvo Penta IPS and Aquamatic Stern Drive. Experience the feeling of unparalleled control and easy maneuvering. With Volvo Penta Joystick, docking is child's play. You can simply steer the boat in any direction with one hand. And now, the joystick can also be used to steer the boat at any speed, at full throttle or at cruising speed, all with the same intuitive functionality and ergonomic comfort. The feeling of comfort and peace of mind is further enhanced by the autopilot feature. Always stay on course with a minimum of work. The autopilot automatically adjusts to any course changes, and the feature is fully integrated on the entire boat. If you change station, the autopilot remains active and is controlled from whichever station you're at. Joystick Driving, a simpler, easier boating experience.